2, 1. Yay! Yay! You need help? You got it all by yourself. Yeah?
Duck.
You want to play duck?
Yeah, duck.
Let's duck.
Duck.
You want to play duck?
Yeah.
How do we play that? Duck, duck, goose?
Duck.
Duck, duck, goose?
Yeah.
Oh, the dog. You want to play with the dog? You got it. You got it. Watch your foot. Good boy. Now press him. Let me fix your hat. Oh, look, he's barking.
I want to go.
You don't want the gloves?
No.
But they're gonna keep your hands warm.
No.
If you take them off, your hands get cold. Shake them off. Shake it off. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it some more. Okay. Now let's play with the doggy. Uh. You're gonna go in your house and keep warm? It's warm in there.
Yeah.
It's nice and hot in there.
See so?
Yeah, it's no snow in there.
Yeah. Daddy, hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby.
Where's my house?
Yeah, you're in the house? What are you doing with this? You want it in or out?
House.
Okay.